Alright guys, there you have it, our barbecue or country style barbecue pork ribs. Yeah man, so you don't know me go dive into some of this right about now with some good old rice and peas in the Sunday. Yeah. Alrighty. So guys, if you enjoy learning how to make your barbecue country style pork ribs, go ahead and click that like button. That would help out my channel tremendously. And if you watch the video and you like it, please to share it. Someone would love to see it as well. And remember, sharing is caring. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna dive into some of this now. What's up my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back. I am Polly from Polly's Kitchen. And today I am going to do some barbecue ribs for you guys. A matter of fact, it's not just any barbecue ribs. It is country style barbecue ribs. So I have some pork ribs over here. I'll go ahead and wash them, clean them up, and you know, all of the work and thing there we're supposed to do with them. I have some season here. Some different season. I have chili, I have salt, I have all purpose. You know it name all purpose, so you can use it in anything. And I have some paprika. So yes guys, so these are the seasoning. Don't be afraid to season your meat. Use a lot of season and season your meat. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use some mustard to just bind the season onto the pork. Yeah, so I'm drizzling some mustard on my pork ribs. I'm just going to go ahead now and just do that a nice little massage up the thing, you know. And guys, this is going to stay until the next morning. So when you see I finish seasoning it now, I'm going to leave it, put it in the fridge and leave it to marinate until the next morning. Yeah, you know that a Sunday morning, you know Sunday morning dinner no normal. Alright, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere to see the finishing of this pork ribs. This barbecue country style pork ribs. So this guys, looking lovely already. So I'm going to go ahead now, dash on my season. Don't be afraid to season your pork, alright? Don't be afraid to season your meat. You want to season that really good. I'm going to give this a good little massage as usual to combine all the seasoning to the pork. You know we Jamaican, we love flavor, right? We love when our meat seasoned to the bone. Yes guys, so after leaving my pork to marinate overnight, I am up and about and I'm just going to throw them in. I'm going to transfer them to my pan, then throw them under the grill. I am going to transfer them to my pan, then throw them in the grill. So let's go. We are all set right here and ready to fire up, so let's go. All the heat. Alright guys, so let's just remove this, see what is going on here. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I am going to wrap the file over my ribs, my pork ribs. We need to get it soft and mild. So in order for that to happen, we're gonna just wrap it up
That looks like a
and
mat.
place it back under the oven.
That looks like a mat. Wait.
So we need to wrap this really good. We don't want any air escaping from it. We need it to be tender. So that's the whole reason of wrapping it with the
That
foil,
looks like a mat.
is to get it nice and juicy and tender.
But it looks like a mat.
So we're going back over to the oven. Alright guys, so I am going to remove my ribs right now and check it. So here we go. Here we go, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, this is so hot. Ooh. Alright. Let's check what has been going on here. Ooh, this is really hot, guys. So don't do like me. Allow it to cool. Allow the foil to cool. Or you can just keep on your gloves. Ooh, that's a lot of steam. Whoa. So this is it, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make my barbecue sauce. Then I'm going to just go ahead and apply it to my ribs. They're looking lovely already. Alright guys, so we're gonna go right ahead and I'm gonna whip my barbecue sauce up. So I'm using some ketchup. Ketchup is my main base right here, and you want to have your stove on low heat. You don't want to have the stove too high. You don't want to have your heat high underneath. Next I'm gonna drizzle in 2 tablespoons of honey. With that, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add some mustard to my pot. And I'm going to just give this a nice little stir before I add any more ingredients. So we want to stir this properly to combine everything. So guys, if you don't have barbecue sauce and you have some mustard, honey or brown sugar, you can whip up your barbecue sauce. Because honestly, I checked my cupboard and I did not have any barbecue sauce, but I have these stuff, so I said, why not just whip my barbecue sauce up? Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna put some vinegar. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add my vinegar to the pot. Give that a nice little stir. Next, I'm going to add some molasses as well. Then I'm gonna just go right ahead and stir that right in. I'm gonna go ahead now and add some lemon juice, or if you have lime juice, to my pot. And I'm just going to mix that really good. So remember to lower your heat, guys. Once you're whipping up your barbecue sauce, you need to lower your heat. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little water to my pot. Alright guys, so next I'm going to drop a piece of butter in my sauce and just allow that to melt out properly. Look at our sauce coming on nicely. Alright, I'm gonna drizzle a little salt, not much, just about that. Bring up the taste. Alrighty. So this is our barbecue sauce. Quick and easy. So these are tender, juicy, and so flavorful. Right here, let me show you how tender these ribs are. Look at that. So tender. All right. That is our barbecue sauce, guys. I'm just going to use my brush to just spread it evenly on our nice ribs, so that each and every one of the ribs can get coated. Each and every piece is coated. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new to my channel, hi, I am Polly from Polly's Kitchen. Welcome. Continue to share my videos, guys. Click the like button. Don't forget to click the like button, please. It will help out my channel tremendously. Alrighty.